In terms of skills, skill bar, you can organize your bar however you want, obviously,
Mhm.
but
I kind of just more so copied the I read so that I know
got it.
where everything is for now. So
Yeah.
it's in the yeah.
So if you're in a situation where you're taking a lot of damage and losing health, what are you going to start pressing?
If I'm taking a lot of damage, probably last stand. If
Last
it
Stand's a good
that's
one. That's a cooldown. What else do you have as a cooldown?
probably lend courage, muster courage.
Yep, those are your bigger heals. Lend Courage is your biggest heal because it's what is it for you? It should be about 300k or so, like
Yeah,
330k morale. Yeah, that's gonna
yeah.
be really big. Lend Courage from the Herald you can get once every 90 seconds. If you use Lend Courage and dismiss and resummon your Herald, you can use it again right away, right?
Mm, no, can you?
No, you
Yeah,
cannot. It's not clear on the skill, but it'll put a 90-second debuff on you that basically says you can't take
right,
heals from
right.
your Herald.
Okay, yeah.
So that's not gonna work. Let's see, what else have you got?
Probably one of these. Probably to arms, shield
To arms
brothers.
is good for you, yes. Why is to arms good for you?
15% less damage.
Yes. 15% less
That's
damage is
that's the whole
huge.
fellowship. Okay.
And it's for your entire fellowship. So it's for you and your entire fellowship, just to be clear. And it's really big because that's 15% and that's multiplicative, which is pretty rare. What else have you got? You've got a couple more cooldowns you can use. You were talking about Shield Brothers Call. How would that be helpful?
Probably want to pop that first before doing any heals.
Yeah, I mean, you should be
The
using a lot of
magnitude.
your heals pretty frequently, but this
Right.
helps you get more incoming healing so that your heals are
Mm-hmm.
bigger. Same with Banner. So Banner and Shield Brothers Call can. It depends on kind of raid and fight situation, right? If you really need a lot of really big heals in a short time window, you would stack them to get double, or not double, but multiple incoming healing buffs. But generally, you would rather try to stagger them so that you have more consistent incoming healing buffs.
Sure.
Again, depending on fight, depending on what you need to go for. Um, you are missing a cooldown. We'd mentioned Banner, but you're still one defensive cooldown short. In fact, two, actually, technically. But one's a little bit harder to use than the one I was thinking of at first.
Defensive cooldown. Let's see.
I was thinking of fighting withdrawal. So hover over your fighting withdrawal skill.
See, I don't even know which one that is.
Because it does two things. And people remember that it does one thing and forget that it does the other.
Okay, so it's my my break. Okay,
It's your
40%
stun
parry.
break,
Okay.
but 40% parry for 20 seconds out of every 60 seconds is huge. Because
Yeah, I
what are
didn't
your
even know it
current
did that.
BPEs? Like, what's your current BPE just like unbuffed right now? If you hover over those percentages, you're not going to evade everything, but you have what, 13% plus
Yeah,
block and
13,
should be like 10-ish percent?
10
Yeah,
parry.
10.5% parry. So you're already blocking or parrying like 23, 24% of your hits. To raise that by 40% means that you're blocking or parrying over 60% of your hits
Yeah,
entirely. So if it is parryable, then it's really huge to have fighting withdrawal up because you're going to be just not taking damage from more than 60% of those hits.